As we age, our legs tend to weaken first, and maintenance is the key to staying healthy. If you're an older adult experiencing a knee ache, don't make the mistake of ignoring it. Here are a few methods to help you avoid knee aches. Many diseases are preventable and controllable, but rheumatism or arthritis seems to be unstoppable, as if singing someday it will happen to you. 1 in 25 adults worldwide suffers from arthritis, with women having a higher proportion than men, and young patients are increasing year by year. According to a survey by the Ministry of Health on basic medical care, muscle and bone ache are the fourth most common diseases that people seek medical treatment for. The most common disease in the elderly is osteoarthritis, which is caused by the long-term use of joints, resulting in the aging or wear and tear of joint cartilage. From small finger joints to large knee and hip joints, the older you get, the higher the incidence. As we age, muscle function gradually declines, and with the peripheral nerve function declining, reflexes weaken, nerve conduction time prolonged, and nerves and muscle movements become uncoordinated, which can easily lead to joint injuries. At the same time, as bones and joint cartilage age, the inorganic content of bones increases, and their elasticity and toughness decrease. In addition, as we age, the blood flow supplying the joints decreases, and the cartilage becomes thinner due to reduced nutrition supply, the cartilage matrix decreases, and fibrosis occurs, making the cartilage more susceptible to damage. In addition to age-related factors, childhood foot injuries, excessive exercise, and other factors can also lead to osteoarthritis. So, what should we do if we experience joint aches in our daily lives? How can we care for our knees and joints? First, we need to identify the cause of knee joint aches. Glucosamine is a naturally produced amino sugar in the human body, which plays an important role in nourishing and protecting cartilage and helping to maintain joint health. As the body gradually ages, its ability to produce glucosamine decreases. As we age, the cartilage in our joints gradually wears down and becomes rough, making them more prone to aches and soreness. At this point, the body needs to supplement with special nutritional supplements to nourish and maintain joint and cartilage health. Glucosamine is a commonly used drug for osteoarthritis, and in the last decade, it has become a widely used nutritional supplement. Did you know that herbs can also promote joint health? In addition to using Western medicine formulas to fight arthritis, traditional Chinese herbs can also have good health effects. Among them, the 5 herbs of morinda, epimedium, sambucus, drinaria, and turmeric have a good protective effect on the joints. Morinda, in traditional Chinese medicine, morinda is used to strengthen bones and kidneys, reduce swelling and relieve aches, treat bone diseases such as osteoporosis and femoral head necrosis, and has significant anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. It can treat arthritis, promote bone synthesis, reduce bone dissolution, and prevent fractures after osteoporosis. Epimedium, it has the effects of strengthening the kidneys and bones, nourishing the essence. Its effective ingredients can promote the proliferation and differentiation of osteoblasts, and have preventive and therapeutic effects on gouty arthritis, including acute gouty arthritis and chronic gouty arthritis. Sambucus williamsii Hans sambucus has analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects, and is used to treat rheumatoid arthritis, bruises, fractures, gout, osteoarthritis, edema, and more. In Europe, it has been used in folk medicine to treat polycythemia related to arthritis, asthma, colds, and constipation. Drinaria fortunii, it has the effects of strengthening the kidneys and bones, promoting wound healing, and relieving aches. It is commonly used to treat kidney deficiency, lumbago, tinnitus, loose teeth, bruises, and fractures. It plays an important role in reducing postprandial hyperglycemia and hyperuricemia and treating glucose tolerance deficiency, diabetes, obesity, hyperuricemia, osteoporosis, and other complications. Modern research has shown that Drinaria fortunii can promote the synthesis of proteoglycans, promote the absorption of calcium by bones, increase blood calcium and phosphorus levels, and promote bone calcification and fracture healing, delaying the degenerative changes of bone cells. Turmeric, in traditional Chinese medicine, turmeric is used to treat chest and rib pain, rheumatic shoulder and arm aches, joint bruises, and swelling. Studies have shown that turmeric has anti-gout and alpha-glucosidase inhibition effects. By inhibiting uric acid production and promoting uric acid excretion, it can reduce serum uric acid levels. Quan Wei Active Joint, the natural solution to joint ache. Quan Wei Active Joint is a patent product from Singapore that helps to soothe the pain caused by osteoarthritis and repair damaged joint tissues. Its unique blend of 9 Chinese and Western ingredients provides a comprehensive approach to joint health and ache relief. The product's main ingredients include glucosamine sulfate 2-KCl, chondroitin sulfate, methylsulfonylmethane, type 2 collagen, morinda, epimedium, sambucus, drinaria, and turmeric. Of course, in order to improve product functionality, better formulations have been developed to enhance its effectiveness. We also offer Quanway Ultra Joint Supplement, which contains additional anti-inflammatory and ache relief ingredients. Remember, you don't have to live with knee aches, there are solutions available, and Quanway Ultra Joint could be the answer you've been looking for. Don't let knee ache control your life, take control with Quanway Ultra Joint. It's time to regain your mobility and enjoy an ache-free lifestyle. Get back on your feet with Quanway Ultra Joint and start living your life to the fullest. Say goodbye to knee aches and hello to a healthier, more active you. Don't let knee cartilage erosion limit your life. Try Quanway Ultra Joint today and experience the benefits for yourself. Quanway Ultra Joint is available in Singapore pharmacies, TCM stores, and online at yumtrade.com. Retail price is just 58 Singapore dollars only. Purchase or delivery inquiries at 6562-5526. 6562-5526.